Welcome to Gail's Kitchen. Today we're making this extraordinary red, white, and blue layered flag cake. You may think this is a complicated cake to make, but it actually is not. There's nothing tricky about the assembly, and I'm going to explain it step by step. I use box white cake mixes to make my cakes, and for the first batch, you're going to divide your batter in half, and you're going to color half blue. You'll end up with a white layer, and you'll end up with a blue layer. And for that batch, you want to make sure you use only egg whites so you get the brightest white. The second batch, or the second mix of cake, you're going to color it red. So you'll end up with 2 red layers, and you can use the whole eggs. And I actually use 2 yolks from the separated eggs that I use for the first batch. If any of your layers have domed, I recommend cutting the dome portion off with a serrated knife so you'll have flatter layers. After your cakes are completely cool, you're going to slice your white layer in half, and you're going to slice your red layers in half. So you'll end up with 2 thin white layers and 4 thin red layers. Now with one of your white layers and one of your red layers, you're going to cut a 4-inch round out of the center using a pastry cutter or a template that's 4 inches, and use a serrated knife. Now these pieces are going to be left over and they're not going to be used, so you can wrap them and freeze them. Now the blue layer, which you leave whole, you don't slice it in half, you're going to cut a 4-inch round out of the center of that, and you're going to actually use that outside ring rather than the inside ring. So this piece will be left over as well. So you're going to have these 3 pieces plus one of the red layers left over. Use your favorite white cake mixes, and I'm going to show you how to assemble this beautiful cake. Happy 4th of July from Gail's Kitchen, and God bless America.